Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will be cooking delicious meals which are very easy to prepare. If you're new here, karibu sana, and please feel free to subscribe and also press the notification button down below so once I upload a video, you'll be able to be notified. So today we will be cooking Mahamri. Okay guys, for Mahamri we need 2 cups of flour. This is 8 tablespoons of sugar. This is 1.5 tablespoons of yeast, and this is 1.5 tablespoons of cardamom. These ingredients are very, very crucial, and also coconut milk. So these ingredients are very, very crucial. Like for you to cook mahamri, you need all these ingredients. I'm going to mix the dry ingredients first. So once all the dry ingredients are mixed kabisa, now I'll be adding coconut milk gradually until I get the dough that I need. Okay guys, I'm going to knead for 15 minutes. If you want very soft mahamris, you're going to knead this dough for 15 minutes so that you can get that soft mahamris. It's a workout. It's not a joke to knead for 15 minutes, but hey, if you really need something which is great, you need to work for it. Okay guys, our dough is ready, and if you want to know this dough is ready, it's not sticky. As you can see, as I knead, it's not sticky, but it's very soft on the inside. So that's why you'll know that this dough is ready. So I'm going to cut it into pieces, and then I'm going to let it proof for 40 minutes. So I'm going to cut them. I'm going to cut them into small balls. What? And then I'm going to let them proof. Something like that. Nimeshamaliza kuziroll, and you have to put enough space kwa sababu ikifura zinaweza shikana. So you have to put them at least zikiwa a bit apart. So we are going to let it rest for 40 minutes as it proofs.
A few moments later.
We are back after 40 minutes, and as you can see, it may double the size. Unaona? Zimefura. So what I'm going to do, nitaziroll again, and then I cut them into 4 pieces, and then we leave it for another 20 minutes, and then we start cooking. So I'm rolling it ikae kama chapati. Now I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. And you're going to do the same procedure for the rest of the balls. So I've already cut all the pieces as shown here. So I'll let it proof for another 20 minutes, and then we start cooking. My oil is ready, so I'm going to start cooking. I'm going to let it be golden brown. See the way it's puffing? It's supposed to puff like that. And then it's supposed to have this line. Can you see this line? See that? Can you see that? Yeah. Guys, I'm done cooking the mahamris. Just look at them. Zimetokea poa sana. And they are very eye-catching. So you can eat these mahamris during breakfast. At least spice up your breakfast. Isikwe boring. Ingiza mahamri hapo so that you can eat and enjoy. So that's it for today. Please feel free to subscribe and also press the notification button down below. So once I upload a video, you'll be able to be notified.